Hi everybody, welcome back. Hope you all are great. So today I'm gonna do unboxing of this. Actually, I got it in Amazon. I opened it, but I have still not yet used it. So I've got like this. I don't know where is the other one. I've just got it like this. Okay, so let us try to see what does it does. What does it do? So let me oh, ball is inside, guys. See, nerf rival. This is rival. I got it a gift from someone. Oh my god! I just shoot it. 1 second, I'll get. Yeah, guys, here it is. One ball is here. Let's talk about the balls. The balls are very spongy, and I've got only 2 because they told only 2 you'll get in the package. And here is the instruction given like this. Here, okay. So first is load trigger lock. That is a trigger lock. So move trigger to lock and unlock. So when you keep the trigger down like this, it means that it is locked. If you keep it like this, means it is unlocked. So they have even told that you should not, when you are using, keep it unlocked. When you are not using, keep it locked. And this is always follow this. So I want to check so I'll unlock it. And then they have to move barrier to release lever down, open barrier. Okay, so there is 2 barriers, this one and this one. So press one of them. This comes. Wow. Okay, and then third step, load 1 ammo. So take an ammo, and here you have a place. Right, just put it in. Okay, and then slide barrier to close it. So it is closed. Now what to do? Now pull primary handle all the way down and push it all the way. Now we need to just pull it. So I pulled it now, and after that push it up. Okay, done. And then shoot. I'm gonna shoot that. Whoa! It goes everywhere. So 1 minute. Yeah, guys. So I bought it. It's going everywhere. See? If I bounce on, it's going everywhere because it's a sponge. And it's written x minus 100. This is the nerf rival. And this is 14 plus. And they have given 4 like spaces to keep the ammos like this. So this is how we do it, guys. So ready to fire. Cool, right? It looks so nice. Actually, I have another nerf gun, so I will make the video. I'll make the video again. So, and now they have even given us a warning: do not Aim at eyes or face. Use eyewear recommended for you. Players and people within range. Use only official rival rounds. Other rounds may not be saved. Do not modify rounds or blasters. Okay guys, that's it. So that's it for today. See you next time. Bye.